chicken's gonna lay an egg.
Yeah, good. Beautiful. Balinese farmers.
Day 3 of Bali.
Morning, guys.
Sujit is ready, all masked up today. Yesterday, when we were riding the scooter around, we realized there was a lot of dust, which we were breathing in, and probably we thought wise, and it was wise that we cover our faces up. So yeah, Sujit has covered his face. Thank you. How much was it? 25,000 per person. So the parking is free. So we found the spot here and then literally over there. But you need to pay for the entry ticket. Welcome to Tegallalang Rice Terrace. So this is where we have come today. As you can see in the backdrop, it's such beautiful rice terraces. I'll show you closer. So this is Tegallalang Rice Terrace, also formerly and locally known as the King Rice Terrace. And literally you can walk through, as you can see everyone walking here, and it's about an hour's trek apparently to go all the way around. Working our way down here. At least there's like stairs and like good path.
Yeah. It's
So
not like you'll have to walk on the mud.
Yeah.
Or there's like uneven surface. There's like proper steps to walk everywhere. Step everywhere. So
Yeah. You can see there's a lot of people who do photos and stuff here. Everyone's wearing pretty dresses. That's what we'll be doing in a bit. Okay, let's go. So just this testing the bridge. Can you see the water there?
I don't know. Yeah, good. Beautiful. Balinese farmers.
Wait a second.
Yeah, good.
no, it didn't take that long. It was just half an hour. Wasn't it?
No, it was like 1.5 hours.
Always complaining.
The rice terraces seem to be continuously going around. We didn't realize we were stuck in one place for we spent so many hours and an hour or an hour and a half just in one location of the rice terrace. There's more to it. Here around 9ish and we're still here and I think it's like 11 o'clock now. It's such a big place. What do you think, guys, of my Balinese look? Am I made for this island? What does Sujit think about it? Sujit, any comments on my Balinese look?
मस्त जोक मारा.
Okay, we are going back to Moringa Ubud Eatery, the same restaurant we went on our first night here. So yeah, we really like the food there. Hoping that it's not busy this time we go. So yeah, we'll see you there. Here we finally arrived to
Tegallalang
Waterfall. It looks really busy today.
Yeah.
I think we picked a very busy time to come as well. How much was the tickets? 20?
So the tickets were 20,000
Yeah.
per person, and the parking's free with that.
Yeah, most places here when you're paying for tickets, they tend to let you have the parking for free. So yeah, we just parked our scooter and then just heading towards the waterfalls.
Stand your hand, please. On top.
Thank you. just came from. But if you want to go to the top, going to the top view, if you want to see the waterfalls from the top view basically, you have to pay for another ticket. Thank you. So another 20,000 rupiah each to get the view from the top. Our chicken's gonna lay an egg. Chicken's gonna lay an egg. How many eggs have you laid, chicken?
Pakai kamera. Foto.
With me?
Yes.
It looks like you turned into a joke now.
Shilpa has got fans. They want a picture with her.
Thanks guys! I was too hungry to show you the actual meal. Sujit is still going. I'll show you what Sujit's food looks like.
Struggling to sit and eat.
Oh yeah, we're sitting on this sofa-like chair.
Food is okay, but the ambience is good.
And we're gonna be going where next?
Shilpa has been craving for sticky rice mango pudding for a few days now. Since she's come here, she's been talking about it. So we're gonna go to one today. Finally.
Yeah, let's hope it's open by the time we get there.
So Shilpa has finally got her mango sticky rice. Here it is. And I've just got mango sorbet. Are you happy now? Finally got it?
I've heard good things about it. So let's see how it tastes.